All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and well, look at me. I'm not sweating. You know, if you watch this channel for any length of time, you know, Atlanta, Georgia, spring, summer, you're gonna see me sweat. I don't have the clock up here, but it's about 9 o'clock. So the air conditioner should be shutting off pretty soon because the boss agreed to keep it on until I'm about ready to start filming. But it's blowing cold right now. And it's been blowing cold all day, or most of the day anyway. Currently 77 degrees in here. Yeah, that's right. Last time I pulled this thing out, it was 90 something in here. Got a comment about, oh, well, it's yada, 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 where I'm working. That's during the day. This shop gets over 100 degrees before the air conditioning. And I'm sorry for the background noise, but the AC's still going because I wanted it going for this video. But yes, we finally have air conditioning. It's blowing cold. The shop's all nice and comfy. Yay! Been a long process, and obviously we'll see how everything unfolds because we've only had it literally for the day. Electrical got done yesterday. They came in, charged everything up, fixed a few issues, and well, blowing cold. Looking at my audio meters to see what the audio is right now because, well, fan's blowing pretty heavy and it's right there. Oof. It's nice. Nice. My arm's right in the breeze of the AC. So yes, the process is finally over. We have air conditioning. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the flatratemaster.